post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ziprecruiter.com/news. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for.
Introducing HomeLight.com, where you can find the top performing agent who can sell your home faster and for more money. The best part is HomeLight is 100% free and it takes less than 2 minutes. Go to HomeLight.com/news today to get started. That's HomeLight.com/news.
Message and data rates may apply.
Help!
Idiot!
I'm too young for hair loss. My hairline keeps creeping back. Receding?
Or that is bald spot. Oh, it's thinning everywhere.
That they're saying isn't clear other than the terminology. Yes, they didn't call it MCAS, they called it a runaway trim. Your trim system.
Yeah.
So, I discount that. What I do look at and am concerned about is the trim system on the airplane. Did it play a role in this? Did the pilots understand that they should turn off the trim?
Nancy Pelosi said this to her conference before she was elected speaker. No. The reality, she's
absolutely no cars behind me.
They don't have the goods on Donald Trump. They have been promising it. You have people like Adam Schiff running around saying that they had seen the facts themselves, and yet here we are years later, and there's nothing that they can point to. She's reflecting reality. And it sounds like there's a possibility the Mueller report could actually be delivered to the Attorney General as early as today. As soon as it gets there, remember, I think we're all going to want to see it. It's going to take weeks once it does get to
Car had no intention of letting him over.
Before we actually get something out.
It doesn't resolve looking into that. Why say something like that?
Well, first, I think viewers should understand that this has nothing to do with proving any kind of collusion between Russia and the Trump campaign. To try to affect the elections, to steal Hillary Clinton's emails to try to disseminate them on the web. This is about conduct that happened.
Don't stop. 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 Don't stop.